What's up, YouTube? So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make at least $500 to $1,000 worth of profit buying and selling a dirt bike. So the first step you want to do is go on one of these apps like Marketplace or OfferUp and browse through and basically look for a deal. So you're gonna look for something that's, under market value, but not too low, because then you know this shit gonna be trash and you have to put a lot of money into it and work into it, and you don't want to do all that unless you got the time. I ain't got the time. So I went on Marketplace and I ended up finding a deal on a nice KX112 2023. I was gonna do the full video when I went to purchase the bike, but the dude ain't want to be on camera, so I just picked the bike up, brought it home. So today I'm gonna go over the bike and see what all I need to get to fix it up and try to make a profit on it. Alright, so when you go pull up to look at the bike, you're gonna check the bike out, inspect it, and look for any little problems or damages. You could try to knock down the price a little bit more, get you a better deal. So I'm gonna show you a couple things I noticed on the bike when I pulled up. Alright, so when I met up with the guy and started to check the bike out, the first thing I noticed, what caught my eye, was the rim. As you can see, the rim is missing down to half of the spokes. You can't ride like that. So I walked around the bike. I noticed that the lever's bent. The grip's got some scrapes on it. Motor-wise, just need a little good cleaner, a little pressure wash. Gotta be back straight. He must have took a little fall, 'cause I see some scratches on the pipe, the back fender. I couldn't help notice the tires. Definitely gonna need some tires. I could tell you've been doing some street riding, how bald the tires is. I go on to the other side of the bike, of the motor. I see the kickstarter missing. That's another part I'm gonna have to order. Another lever. Front number plate cracked. After that, I couldn't do too much complaining after that. 2023 KX112. Definitely shouldn't be looking like this already to be a 2023. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the steps in the process to go finding the bike and analyzing the deal. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make an offer on the bike, see? With that price point being $4,000, I'm gonna just, throw a low ball out there. I'm gonna throw $3 grand on there. I'm gonna skip the hello, is it still available? Because I'm assuming it's available if it ain't marked sold. So y'all send a $3 grand and just wait for a reply. So the dude replied with a counter offer of $3,500, pick up today. I said, yeah, send me the address, I'll come check it out. So I pull up, do my little inspection. I told the dude, the highest I could do is like around $3 grand. I gotta stick with that, 'cause I gotta put a lot of little work into this bike. I gotta spend a little penny on it. So he like, yeah, all right. We made a deal. And when you make a deal, make sure you get your paperwork, man. Make sure you get your titles. Check the numbers. The VIN number's gonna be on the side of the frame, underneath the handlebars, either the right or the left, depending on the model bike. And you good to go. So I'm gonna head over to the dealer and see what I can pick up today, man. Without have to do like any special orders. I know the Kickstarter, I'm gonna definitely have to special order that. OEM fenders. I might go OEM handlebars if they don't have no nice Renthals in stock. Levers they may have. They definitely should have grips. I know I'm gonna definitely have to order a rim. Besides that, oh yeah, and the front number plate got a nice little crack in it. I'm gonna have to order that also. Yeah, let me head over there now. I'm gonna probably go cycle again and see what they got. Let's take a little ride. All right, so we here. Let's go run in here and see what they got. gonna be lazy with it. I don't mind getting a little dirty, so I'm gonna get some spoons. Like a little nice spoon set right here. Alright, so yeah, I was able to get a handful of stuff I needed. Got some fresh grips, motor oil, make sure some fresh motor oil on that bike. Chain cleaner, time to clean up that bike real good, get it nice and shiny. Got a spark plug in here. Some spoons to change the tires. Yeah, so you know, stay tuned. Grind don't stop. Alright, so I just made it back. Got my tools ready. Got all my little things I got from Cycle Gear earlier, which ain't much. So basically today I'm gonna just have to clean this bike up real good and get it ready for when the parts come in. Oh yeah, I did find some tires on the way back. So today I might get to changing this back tire, put a fresh knobby on the back of there. That's basically all I can do for today. So let's get to this wash. As you can see, I got the bike stripped down, plastics off. These two plastics, I ain't too much worried about them. Come from the order, them OEM, brand new. The seat, and the rest of the plastics just need a good wipe down. They're gonna be back fresh. As far as the frame and the rest of the bike go, I got a trick for all that gunked up oil and all that residue from the pipe, exhaust. This little can right here. Chain cleaner, get all that off. She's gonna be back brand new. Yeah, stick around, I'm finna clean her up good. All right, the first wash ain't go too bad. I got the exhaust back shining. The engine ain't too caked over oil no more. By the front sprocket ain't all caked over oil. And chain lube. I ain't gonna lie, this O2 chain cleaner kind of let me down. I ain't gonna lie, it's my first time using it. I thought it'd be the same as the other brand, but you know, sometimes you gotta stick to what you know. They was out of stock, so I had to go with it. I had to go with what they had. So next time, I just wait. Yeah, I'm gonna do a second wash on it, go into a little more detail on the cleaner. Try to get it back factory clean, like dealership style. So stay tuned. Okay, as you can see, I got the plastics all cleaned up. Seat looking brand new. Candy apple green shining. Yeah, so once I put this back together, we should be A1. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's a process. We ain't done yet. Okay, I got me a fresh knobby, fresh Dunlop tire, gator back. I got my spoons, so I won't pinch the inner tube. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this little tire out real quick. Okay, got a fresh knobby on there. Pump solid, no pinch inner tube. I used the old inner tube off the old tire. I'm gonna go ahead and mount that up before I throw the plastics back on. So y'all stay tuned. All right, so look, I got the tie mounted on. That's ready to go. I'm about to throw the plastics back on. But before I do that, I want y'all to do me a favor. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel if you ain't already subscribed. Hit the like button. Y'all drop in the comments if y'all want to make a different video or whatever. I'll shoot a different video for y'all. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay, as you can see, the kid's coming along well, very well. Just like I expected. She all clean up. I got the swing arm shining. See, I left that part out the video. I can't get y'all that sauce just yet. I'm gonna say that for another video. So now I'm gonna just have to go ahead and order the back fender, the front number plate, the levers, and the handlebars. Oh yeah, and the kickstart. I can't leave the kickstart out. I'm gonna go on eBay. I'm gonna try to find a rim on eBay. I know them OEM, they're gonna try to kill me with them OEM prices. I'm trying to keep this on the budget, you see? The more budget, the more profit. Yeah, that's it for today though. I'm gonna go ahead and make a list of all the parts I need to order. Get on that ASAP. Alright, so when I ordered everything, I made sure I put a rush on it because I don't have a lot of patience and I like to get shit done. So I put a rush on all the orders. And I went to my mom's house today. As soon as I walked up to the door, I seen a box. And guess what the box said? eBay. I ended up finding the KX112 front rim fully mounted tire on eBay for a deal. It came up to around maybe $215. That wasn't that bad compared to the OEM price. So hopefully by today and tomorrow, the plastics, the brake and clutch lever, the handlebars, everything should come in right behind each other. So I'm gonna be able to get this bike mounted up, take some good pictures, post it up for sale, and get ready to make this profit, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, what's up, y'all? So I was walking home from the store, and I got a notification on my ring alarm, and I seen a dude from FedEx dropping off a box. So hopefully, I got my fingers crossed that these are the parts I've been waiting for. So I'm gonna rush home and check it out, and then hopefully it's there, and I get this bike finished up, post it up, ready to sell, make this profit. Y'all stick around. Just like I expected, the parts here. Let's open it up and see what we got. It's gotta be the handlebars. Some fresh OEM handlebars. The number plate. Got a clean rear fender. All OEM parts. We got this guy. Brake lever. Clutch lever. Stickers for the rear fender. It's gotta be the kickstarter. Can't start the bike without this. Some more stickers for the rear fender. Yeah, that's about it. Let's go out here and put this bike together, man. Get it posted, try to make some money. All right, so we spent $385 on these parts, plus the parts from Cycle Gear, which was $84. So that'll give me a little under $500, like $470. I'm gonna add that to the bike cost, which was $3,100, so that'll give me like $3,570. So whatever the bike sells for on top of that is straight profit. So let's go out here and throw these parts on, try to get this bike posted for sale. So I'm gonna say the bike is at 90, maybe 97% done. I got the front number plate on, brand new handlebars, levers, both sides. Got the kickstart on, which I'm missing a bolt. I'm gonna try to get that today. The back fender, I still have to put the stickers on. Yeah, it's pretty much ready to go. Oh yeah, I picked up a YZ65 from a friend of mine. I gotta break that down and see what's going on with it. It won't start. I think it's losing compression, so That's a video for another day. So I'm gonna head to cycle gear and try to sort this out today, right now as we speak. I'm feeling good about this bike here. It should go fast. Nice and clean. All right, I can finally say this bike is 100% done. I ran over the cycle gear and found some OD grips. This one comes with the throttle tube. So now all I have to do is take some nice pictures of the bike, post it up on OfferUp or Marketplace, and just wait on the hits. Let's see how fast I can sell this bike. All right, like I told y'all, I was gonna post the bike up on OfferUp and Marketplace. I got a bunch of people interested in the bike, a couple offers. But today somebody seriously said they want to pull up and see the bike. They got cash in hand. And what took me by surprise was a female. I don't see females buying dirt bikes every day, so it was a new one for me. So she said she about 30 minutes out. We're gonna wait, see she pull up, check the bike out. Let's see if she cash out or not. Stay tuned. All right, we with Nikki here today.
Hey guys.
She finally pulled up to check the 112 out.
Exactly.
So what you think so far?
I love it, feels really nice. So now let's ride it.
Yeah, it look clean, right?
Yeah. Alrighty.
Take it for a spin. I was waiting on the wheelie. Yeah, so how you like it?
Oh, it was really nice to ride, really soft and nice, perfect size for me. So you said you got the title, right?
Yeah, I got the title.
Alright, let me see it, please.
For the title, please.
Perfect. Okay, hold the bike for me real quick. I like to double check.
You think?
Okay. Okay, looks right. Alrighty. And the cash, you said 5,000, but right now I have 480 for you, okay?
48?
Yes, 48.
Killing.
Hold the bike for me, please. My bike.
Killing me, y'all.
Special price. Alrighty, this should be it right here.
I'm sure she's gonna forget the camera.
Alrighty. Don't forget the 100.
So where you gonna ride this bike at?
Anywhere, everywhere I want. I love bikes. Really, really nice.
You need to get you a helmet.
Of course, nice gloves.
Make sure you get you a helmet, man.
Cool. Alrighty, thank you again.
We're doing business.
Nice meeting you.
You ride it on? All right, it's a done deal. The bike is officially sold. The final selling price was $4,800, which I'm happy with, and she happy with the bike. My out-of-pocket cost for the bike was $3,570, so I'm looking like a little over $1,200 in profit, which I'm happy for, because I did that in like 2 to 3 days max. Anybody could do it. I hope y'all paid attention to learn something. So y'all drop in the comments what type of videos y'all want me to drop next. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Y'all stay tuned, got more videos on the way.